everyone, welcome back. And today we are going to learn how to clone a repo from GitHub. Cloning is just like saying whatever you see there, you just want to have it on your machine. Just something simple. So now let's get started. You go to our git bash, and then so right now let me just pick a project to clone. Okay, so Hopkins, let me pick Hopkins on here. Let me pick Hopkins. So it has nothing in there. This code, this repo has nothing in there. So let's go to desktop. Now we list the things on the desktop. Let's use projects. What do you think? Yeah, let's use projects. So we've changed it there, we list it. Okay, we can put it here. We can put it here. So you just type git clone and then you copy the HTTP, the URL, and then paste it there, and then hit enter, and there you have it. It's cloning whatever. Okay, so our issue is warning, you appear to have cloned an empty repository. So since the repo had nothing in there, that's why we are having an empty repository. Let's just check it out. But then there you have it. So thank you very much. If you find this useful, like, share, subscribe, and go link up, Charlie. Do